On today's lesson, we will learn how to ask for and answer time and dates. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Welcome back. Numbers are divided into two groups. The first group is called cardinal numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4. For telling time, we need cardinal numbers. Question for time. 1. What time is it? 2. What is the time? 3. Do you have the time? Answer. It is. Examples. 1. Excuse me, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. 2. What is the time? It's 6:10 or it's 10 past 6. 3. What time is it? It's 4:15 or it's quarter past 4. 4. Do you have the time? The time is 5:30 or it's half past 5. 5. What is the time? It's 7:50 or it's 10 to 8. Questions for time of event. 1. What time is the? 2. What time does the start? Answers. 1. It is at. 2. It starts at. Events like party, dance, game, dinner, movie, concert. Examples. 1. What time is the game? It is at 8:30. 2. What time does the movie start? It starts at 7. The second group of numbers is called ordinal numbers, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. For telling dates, we need ordinal numbers. Consider these steps for saying dates. 1. Month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 2. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3. Years in English. In English, we usually divide the years into parts. For example, 1999, 2011, 1852, 2015, 1905, 1806. There is only one exception. From 2000 to 2009, we don't divide the year, and we simply use the word 2000. For example, 2001. Questions for dates. 1. What date is it? 2. What's today? 3. What day is today? Answers. 1. It is. 2. Today is. 3. The date is. Examples. 1. What date is it? It's January 6, 2019. 2. What's today? Today is March 3rd. How to ask for dates of events. When is the? And the answer is, it is on. Example. When is the party? It's on Monday, November 11th. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share around with your family and friends and subscribe for more videos.